If you're a coach, 2025, I'm gonna give you the best funnel. It's gonna help you get more conversions out of your ad spend and even organically. Let's get right into this. So you're a coach, you're looking to run ads, maybe you're already running ads, you're looking for a better funnel, better sales process. I'm gonna break down the exact funnel that I use for a lot of our coaching clients, okay? If you wanna work with us, you want us to run your ads, you want us to do all these things for you, hit the first link in the description. We'd be happy to have a conversation. So first off is the first page of that funnel. What do we have? We have a simple opt-in page, okay? It's gonna have your attention bar on top. It's gonna have your headline, your sub-headline, your video, and then a button. Button says, see if you qualify, goes to a pop-up where we collect their name, email, and phone, another button, and it will go to the second page. Second page has headline, sub, and actually has the longer form of the video and then has a timer, okay? There's a big part on why this timer exists. The timer will set off at 75% of the video, and it will then pop up the calendar once it's done. So the calendar will pop up so that we know that they watched 70% of the video and they're qualified. Third page means that they booked, and this is like a before or call page. I know I'm really bad at drawing, but you want to congratulate them on the top of the page. Okay, then you would have a before a call video, I'll call it a BACV, before a call video, and then you have FAQs, and then you have testimonials. And that's your third page. Now, this is important to understand is that if they go to the first page and they fill this out, you could take them down two paths, okay? You're getting them on the email list, which is a plus, okay? Now they go to a setter, which is a plus. Someone can call them, and then also we could put them inside of a school group, and that would be through email. So the first page, we could collect their name, email, phone. We call them and say, hey, we saw that you opted in to see how you could blah, blah, blah results. Are you still open to that, or did you watch the video? You want me to resend you a link? Cool. Resend you the link. Person, you can then track if they click the link, goes to the second page, and then you see if they watch the video or not, okay? If they get to the second page, you can put a tracker on the video, okay? So you could put a pixel on it. You could do it in Vimeo. You could do it using eBoo. That's another software. And you can basically track if they hit the play button. If they hit the play button, it will then track it in Facebook as a play. And that would be a custom event in Facebook that you could then use and retarget. You could retarget them to the calendar, okay? So first page has the headline, sub-headline, attention bar, video, button. Awesome. Then you get that information. You send them an email to join school and a text to join school. You then have a setter call them to set a call, and you have them join the email list. Check, 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 done. Second page, now they are on the headline, sub-headline again, but they're actually watching the full form of the video. Once you get to 75% of the video, the calendar pops up below it here, right below the timer, and then they can book. And that's gonna get you book calls, okay, where your show rates are gonna be higher, your closers are gonna be higher because they watch the video of you. Now here's another important piece here, is that they go to the third page, they've now booked. What should you do? Okay, this is where you're gonna do SMS, email. A setter calls them right away. Setter calls and says, hey, does a triage. Okay, that's what we call a triage call. They call the prospect and say, hey, listen, we saw you booked for tomorrow at 10 a.m. Eastern. I just want to ask you a couple questions, make sure we're a good fit, and I'll keep you on the calendar. Sound fair? And then you ask them qualifying questions. This is where you're really going to qualify them. If they do qualify on the phone with the setter, then you're going to make sure that you say, hey, listen, thanks. You know, we'll have that call tomorrow at 10 a.m. You seem like a great fit. Here's what I want you to do before your call. Watch this video, check out our FAQs, and then watch our testimonials. Come to the call prepared. If you don't watch this video before the call, we'll have to unfortunately cancel. Cool? All right, peace. Then from there, you have SMS, you got the emails. Like I said, the setter then qualifies them, and this is the exact funnel that I use. Now, what platforms would I be running? Facebook, you got Instagram. Okay, you're gonna start this funnel around $100 a day because you're selling high ticket. Okay, don't be cheap. Okay, once that's proven, then I would go to YouTube. Once you're running Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, you're then going to go to Google search for like brand retargeting, because once you start getting more traffic, people are going to start searching your name on Google. So I hit like phrase and exact match on Google. So to give you a cool example of what that looks like, this is what keywords I would hit. So you put quotes, Jason Wojo, and then also you would do brackets. Okay, you've seen that before. Okay, so quotes and brackets, and you would just target your name or your program's name or your domain and your Facebook page name, other things that people would go on Google and search for, and then you scoop them back up to go back to the page to book. So this is the exact funnel that I would use. I hope you guys enjoyed this breakdown. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Let's get it.